Okay. Hello everybody from the Kick-Ass Gaming community. This is just a little quick vlog for you guys. I've just came and picked up my new phone. And I might actually do like a little quick unwrapping here just of the phone, and I'll do like a further review on it. I got the new Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. It's a 32GB gold as far as I know. I mean, I could open this and it could be the wrong phone, I don't know. So since I also picked up one of these Belkin wireless charging plates because that was half price today, so I just picked it up anyway. Just I thought maybe it kind of makes sense since the phone has that feature anyway. So I got that for 15 quid, so that's kind of a plus sign. So I'm going to open this up and we'll see, basically, hopefully, if it's the right phone. I'm just in my car just now in the parking lot of where I picked it up. So we'll just open this. I'm actually pretty excited because the phone I'm using just now, the one I'm recording with at the minute, that is, it's the old S5, so it's not the most up-to-date phone. So I decided to go and buy this because I wanted something new, and they added micro SD support to the new S7, so that's the reason why I got it. I also ordered a 127GB micro SD card for this phone, so that'll take me up to 160 gigs of storage. Probably way overkill, but I already use like 64 gigs at the minute anyway, so it'll give me a bit extra storage for some games and apps and all that jazz. Okay, hang on. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff in here. Right. So, guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, as you can see. 32GB. The seal has not been broken, which is good. Now, it was talking on the phone. I mean, it was talking in the box, because apparently it's turned itself on and it's went in the accessibility mode or something. So, yeah. Here it is. Pretty excited. I'm actually going to open it, just so you guys can have a first look at this. I got this early. I don't think it's supposed to be released till the 11th, but I managed to snag this early, as they got their order in today in store, and they asked me that it was available and I can go pick it up. So yeah, we'll open it just now. So there you go. I'll show you the back of the box actually. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, you probably can't make that out, but just opening this box, I've got random people looking at me here. And that is the phone, ladies and gentlemen, in the packaging. That looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, Samsung over the years have been pulling out some serious, stops. I think they're really well, in my opinion, I'm quite an Android guy. I like iPhones also. I'm not a big, I don't dislike other phones or companies and stuff like that, but I like Android personally. I just think they're great phones and you just get a wee bit more flexibility with them. That's the phone here. As you can see, I'll just cover some of these details up here. That's the 32GB model. Again, you probably can't make that out, but oh my goodness, what a difference from my Galaxy S5 that I have just now. This is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. And it feels really nice as well. I've held the I've had a shot and held the S6, and that kind of was a bit slidey, but it feels like they've kind of fixed that in this phone, so that feels quite nice. And this phone really does pack quite a lot of hardware inside there, especially with that kind of water cooling tube, I suppose, or vaporizer tube, whatever they have inside it to keep it cool. So that's pretty interesting. Now I heard it talking, so I think it's possibly died. It's possibly totally dead. That's interesting, yeah. So that's a quick look at the phone, guys. I'll do another review on me turning this on. Well, wait a minute. I'll actually, just before I go, I'll show you whatever else is in the box, just in case you're curious. So there's a little plastic housing there that held the phone top. So in here, oh, that's quite interesting. So in here we have the little pin, so we can take out the SIM card / SD card tray. And it's probably got some documentations in there as well. You also get a fast charging, as you can see there, fast charging, wow, that's quite cool. So you also get a fast charging power adapter. It says on it, adapter fast charging, okay. It is rated at 2 amps, 5 volts, 2 amps. And you get the micro USB cable there, the standard micro USB cable. We've also got this little adapter as well. So this, oh cool, they've actually included this USB connector. So what this allows you to do is, I believe it's called the USB Go device. Now, when you plug that into your phone, it actually has a USB port on the bottom, so that allows you to connect like USB flash drives or a mouse or a keyboard or an Xbox 360 controller. That will actually work on some of the games, so that's quite cool. And yeah, I'm glad that that's like that. So I'm just going to put this back in the box here. There's something else in the box as well. I'll show you that just now. Hang on. I better put this back into there. Okay, right, so that's back there. And the final thing you get are, now they look green because of the box, but these are just white. Oh no, they look white to you guys. White headphones, and they actually look a lot better than they usually do. So I'm extremely chuffed with them. I'll do a little review to tell you how these sound as well. So I think that is everything in the box. Yep. So that's everything in the box, guys. So there's a little sneak peek unboxing of a new phone that I picked up. It's the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. The reason why I went with the Edge is because it's the 5.5 inch screen, which I quite like bigger phones, and I just think it's nicer, especially if you're going to watch a film or watch YouTube videos and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the new phone. As you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely recommend getting it if you're an Android person and you want something that will last. Especially if you're using kind of like a cheap Android phone. If you really want to go for something really smart, then I definitely recommend the S7 or the S7 Edge. Fantastic phone. Haven't yet used it, but from being a Samsung Android user from day one, I can personally tell you that I've never ever been disappointed with any of their phones. And I know for a fact that this is going to be absolutely awesome, especially with that new kind of camera technology in there, which I'll explain in another video. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one, guys, and I'm sure there'll be plenty more to come. See you later.